Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tinuola right here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an apartment tour. It's a studio condo apartment tour. So you guys are going to see probably the smallest studio you've ever seen. I just want to give you guys an idea of what a studio looks like here in downtown Toronto. If you guys are interested, then you definitely want to keep on watching. Hey, come in. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I share content on this platform every week, so feel free to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell beside it so you get more content from me every single week. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, welcome back. Thank you for clicking on this video once again. So we're going to start from here. Immediately when you come into the apartment from the main door, you're going to see this right here. This is the closet, and it does have two sliding doors right here and here. So here's the closet. Inside of it, it does have compartments inside where you can hang your clothes, you can fold your clothes, you can put your shoes. You know, I just put everything inside the closet because this is the only closet that comes with the apartment. Now, opposite the closet, you're going to see this door right here, and this leads us into the toilet and bathroom. So this toilet and bathroom is the basic three-set toilet and bathroom with the mirrors. You have some storage at the back of the mirror, and you have all this other extra storage here, and you have the sink as always, and the toilet right here, and you also have the shower over there. It's an open door, and it does have a nice towel right here on the floor. Alright guys, moving on. As you're leaving the closet and the bathroom, the next thing, you're coming straight into the kitchen. We have the refrigerator right here. It's the full-size refrigerator and fridge, which is really good that the condo comes with this one, because some apartments, they don't come with this full-size big fridge like this. It has tons of storage spaces all over here. And I really love the fact that it comes with this light right here. As you guys can see, it's well lit. This apartment is well lit from the bathroom to the passage. The passage also has some lights up over there. So it's a well lit apartment. So guys, in the kitchen you have all these lights. You have these lights here once again, and you have some lights underneath this storage space. There are still extra storage spaces here and here, and you have the ventilator here, and you have some lights, extra lights for cooking at night. So whenever you're cooking, there is enough light for you to see what you're cooking. So you have the countertop right here. This is the stove top, and it also comes with this size of oven. Very handy. It does come very handy. So you still have extra storage spaces all over here and here and here, guys. It is so good. So I just want to take a moment to really appreciate the wood. I really love the wood. I don't know what it's called, but I just love the texture, the color. It looks so natural and warm, and it's just beautiful. And it's the same thing right there in the toilet. This is the sink, and you have like both options right here. Now, this part of the kitchen is also extra storage spaces, and here is the microwave. So it comes with this very nice microwave, big size microwave, and you have the washer right here, the dishwasher. You have it right here, which comes really handy, especially on those days when you're feeling super lazy. And so directly opposite the kitchen is the washer and dryer, and this is what it looks like on the inside. You have the washer right here, just a decent small size, and this is the dryer. This really comes handy on those days when you need to wash your clothes and you don't want to go to the laundromat. Trust me guys, it is so much easier and less expensive for you to have this in the apartment, and just knowing that it comes with the apartment is a big plus right there. So moving into the rest of the apartment, like I said, it's a studio apartment, it's an open concept, so everything is basically in your face. Here is the dining table. This came with the apartment, and it does have, it's just a basic dining table with 2 chairs, comfortable enough for 2 people to sit on. And this dining table is like a multi-purpose dining table. This is where I get to eat my food, I get to work on my laptop, work from home, do anything you want to do on the dining table. So this is the thermostat that controls the temperature in the apartment. There is a central control for the heater and the AC for the entire condo, but you can definitely set this to your preference depending on how hot or cold you want it to be inside the apartment. So guys, this is the couch. This one didn't come with the apartment. I brought this one myself, and there is just this old rug right here just to make it more homey for, you know, anyone, for us, you know. This is the mattress and the bed. As you can see, it did come with the apartment. Also, you have the standing light over there that came with the apartment. And if you guys notice, you'll see some boxes at the back of the bed and the couch. That's because there is not enough storage space in the studio, so we had to just get creative and hide some of our boxes at the back so that it's not, okay, this is just giving you guys an idea of how to manage your studio space. So guys, this is the TV and the TV stand. Both of them also came with the apartment when we moved in. And this didn't come with the apartment, but it's just a lamp that I've had for the longest time. And then the plants right here, and yoga mat. And this is drawer space if you want to keep anything there. There are still some places that you can place some stuff right under the window. Guys, this is the final part of the apartment, and I think it's like my favorite part of the apartment. It's the windows. As you guys can see, this apartment is really bright, it's well lit. It has 3 huge windows. So guys, this apartment is in the heart of downtown. It's directly on Dundas, and it's about 15 minutes walk or 5 minutes drive from Dundas and Yonge, which you guys know is like the center of Toronto downtown. From this window, you can get to see a huge part of downtown. If you come closer, I'm just going to show you what it looks like on the outside. So guys, you can see what the neighborhood looks like. Right there is the CN Tower, and it's just a very nice neighborhood to just look out and see like the entire. Oh my gosh, the view at night is amazing. During the day it's beautiful, at night it's amazing. I think that's why the apartment is a bit expensive. So when it comes to the price of the apartment, like I said, some furnitures came with the apartment. So usually for this size of studio, I think it's about 375 square feet, if I'm right or not. But for this size of studio and in this location, you would usually get it for around 1,400 monthly, and that's excluding utilities and other things you're going to pay for. But because the apartment was furnished, it was semi-furnished, and because utilities were included, like your internet, your hydro, your water, all of that, the apartment goes for 1,750 monthly. However, I didn't pay that. I did get some discount for some couple of months because when I moved into the apartment, it wasn't renovated. That's why you guys can see some of the walls have stains and some things have stains in the house because it wasn't renovated. However, it's a very good apartment. Love it. The vibe, the view, it's amazing. Also, just to let you know, the studio apartment doesn't come with parking. Some of these studio apartments in downtown, they don't come with parking. So if you need to park your car, you might have to rent a parking spot, which I did, and it did cost about $120 monthly for parking spots on the ground. Alright guys, so basically this is a condo building because each condo units have different owners. That's the major difference between an apartment and a condo. So yeah, and it does come with its own amenities like security, you know, the gym house, the garage cleaning, window cleaning, and all those other services that the condo comes with, maintenance generally. And also there is this speaker, if you look up there, if there is any case of emergency, for example, if there's a fire alarm going on, you know, we would get like the information passed across through the speaker. So it's a very good condo building, well maintained. Basically, this is how most studio apartments look like in downtown Toronto. Some might come with the balcony, but this one doesn't have a balcony. So that is it for this video, guys. I believe I covered everything. If I didn't, or if you have any questions for me, feel free to ask me down in the comment box below. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions or to respond to your comments. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. If you did enjoy, please give it a thumbs up. It would help push this video out there. And please subscribe to the channel for more videos from me weekly. You can turn on the notification bell. I promise you I would not bug you with my notifications. I only upload videos like once to twice a week. And yeah, you can check out other Ontario, Toronto videos that I do have. And stay tuned for more videos to come. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Don't forget to spread love and light. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video or in my other videos. Check them out. Bye guys.